Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lisa Marie, your friend providing you beauty tips in an approachable way so that you can achieve your own beauty goals inside and out. No filters needed. So for today's video, I'm pretty excited. I feel like I say that in every video, but I'm very excited when I make these videos. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the products that were featured in the Trendmood Volume 2 box. So if you want to see what I thought about the Trendmood Volume 2 box, please keep on watching. Alright, so the Trendmood box. I think this recently started, which I think is pretty fantastic. I've followed Trendmood for a few years now, and that's like my go-to source as far as anything new with makeup and just trying to see what all the brands are coming out with. So I think it's really cool that she was able to curate her own box, and what's really great about this box, at least this is true for the Volume 2 box, is that the contents of the box aren't released yet. You'll receive the box a few days before the actual launch of each of these products. So that's pretty cool. It goes with the Trendmood theme of, you know, being the first to know and the first to get stuff. The Volume 2 box caught my eye because honestly, it was stuff that I already needed, and I was like, hey, this is a great price, which currently right now I think it's 54 US dollars, and they're all full size products. I can't stress that enough. Like, my mind is blown. Like, I kept looking at the photos to make sure that they weren't like deluxe samples or samples in general. So I was really shocked and pleasantly surprised to see that these were actually full-size products. I needed a new eye cream, I wanted a new oil cleanser, and really wanted to try to find a new primer that will keep my oils at bay. And the other products were just kind of impulsive, but they're really cute, so I definitely don't regret buying this entire box at all. So to put it in perspective, the entire box is 54 US dollars currently. And this particular box features a Farsali primer. This alone is $54. Yeah, and you get the actual full-size product. That's crazy to me. And you get it before it launches, like on Sephora and all that. Like, that's really crazy. All right, let's get into the products. So like I said, I got this box because it featured some products that I already needed to buy, and I just thought it'd be a fun way to explore new products. And so we'll start off with this eye cream from Skinfix. It's Barrier Plus Lipid Boost 360 Eye Healthy Eye Treatment. Love the packaging, it's really cute. So this product is clinically proven to brighten and refresh the eyes by diminishing the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Non-comedogenic, which is really good. Let's see, it features 3% healthy skin lipid complex, 5% alfalfa seed complex, 4% Saccharomyces complex, and 3% seaweed hyaluronate blend. This is why I'm not a dermatologist. But anyway, it's good for all skin types, plus sensitive, so that's really good. Free from fragrance, parabens, formaldehyde, just free from a lot of stuff. So I've been using this and I really like it. It's very emollient. I don't really know if that's the best word for it. There's just something to it, and that might be like the extra moisturizers in it and whatever, I'm not sure. But what I did like about this is that you actually can use this on your eyelids, and I feel like haven't really seen many eye creams that like tell you you could use it on your eyelids. I think that's where the 360 idea kind of comes in, but that was really important for me because for some reason this eyelid was like flaking. But since I've been using this, I'm getting that moisture back into it, and I think it's sorted itself out. Let's just hope. So far I like this. In my demo, you see that it kind of pumped a little bit too much, so I would definitely start with a small amount and kind of pump more if you need more kind of thing. But I like this so far. The next product that caught my eye that I was like, okay, this box will be worth it, is this Ren oil cleanser. It's called Perfect Canvas. It is a clean jelly oil cleanser, removes makeup, SPF, and pollution, which I think is great because I do wear SPF every day, and I don't know how hard it is to wash off SPF, but the fact that they make a point in saying that I think is really good. And then of course pollution, I think, you know, no matter where you live, you can't escape pollution. But so this one has sunflower seed extract to protect skin's natural moisture barrier and prevent continued dryness. And then meadow foam seed oil to replenish and restore the skin's barrier with essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6. I tried this out for the first time last night, so I've only used it once. And you're supposed to use it on a dry face, which I did, and then add warm water to emulsify, rinse thoroughly. I think it's supposed to go from like a gel to an oil to a milky substance or something once you add the water and emulsify it and all that. I will say with using it just dry, I didn't use a lot of it at first because I wasn't sure how much to use, so maybe I need to use more, but I still think it was pretty effective dry. And then once I added the water to it, I just didn't see the clear steps of oil to milk. I totally didn't even see the milky part at all. So maybe I need to use more of the product or something like that. I don't know how important it is to reach that stage. But even though I used just a little amount of this got everything out. So I really think this works really well. I just had to do less steps than I usually do to have to get all the mascara off. So yeah, I'm really excited to keep using this. So after I'd filmed this video, I decided on another day to actually film a demo of using this gel cleanser. And so here I am with a bunch of different makeup on my hand, more notably like the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow, a Fenty fly liner, and a Fenty liquid lipstick, and the Urban Decay 24/7 liner. And so here you can see I'm working it on my skin, and it's turning into that oil and picking up all of the makeup. And once I add water to it, you see that milky stage that I was referring to. And here I am just working that in. And as you can see, the Fenty liquid lipstick and the Urban Decay 24/7 liner just did not budge at all. Those are very long lasting products, and so I did have to go in with micellar water to eventually remove those from my hands. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and a realistic view on how the gel cleanser actually works, and so I hope you found that helpful. The next product I was definitely really excited about. This is the new Farsali primer. This is the liquid powder oil balancing serum with French pink clay. Today is my second day of using it, and I like this. I feel like it does, you know, mattify me. I just concentrate it in my T-zone. I don't go all over the face. If you know anything about Farsali products, these products are used in all of those Instagram videos where people are just like dropping it all over their face and rubbing it in. I would not do that with this because this dries down to like a powder finish. So I can only imagine what would happen if someone did that. So you actually want to use this in like areas. And I looked through the Farsali Instagram to see how this should be correctly applied. And that was what was suggested, to kind of work it in areas. And because it dries down to a powder finish, there is that risk of, you know, putting on too much, and you can kind of see it sitting on your face. And really all you have to do is take your damp beauty blender and just kind of pat it away. So far I really like this. I noticed definitely yesterday that it kind of kept my oils at bay. I'm definitely willing to keep using this. I think this is really great, a really interesting concept. The next product is really cute because it is a Trendmood collaboration with another company. And so this is their little set of Sigma brushes, which if you know anything about brushes, Sigmas are definitely one of the top tier brush brands, I would say. And so I think this collection and this collaboration is really cute. You got the purple, the handle, and clearly from the box, Trendmood is known for the purple color. So I thought this was really cute, really unique. And these are kind of the essential brushes that you need for any eye look. So you got your blender brush right here, and this is the E35. And then you kind of have like a flat blending brush, the E25. And then we got a pencil brush here, which is definitely essential, and it's the E30. So I've used these. These are very soft. I think they're high quality and just totally amazing. And last but not least, probably the most exciting product that was part of the Volume 2 Trendmood box is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. I honestly couldn't believe that they were including a full-on palette in this box, but you know, I'm not asking any questions, I'm just counting my blessings. So this is what she looks like. It's just really pretty. Love the pops of color and just the overall theme of the palette. I love coffee. I mean, hello, if you actually want to check my vlog where I go to the world's largest Starbucks and waited in line for so long, yeah, I think I'd say I like lattes and coffee and all that. So I love the theme of this palette. It's so cute. It looks like a coffee stained palette and it's kind of like embossed. It's just really creative and really cute. It's got a big old mirror, which is great. And there's a quote on the mirror that says, "Every day is a fresh start," and I love that. Dominique Cosmetics is founded by Chris and Dominique, who is a beauty YouTuber, and I know that at the end of her videos she ends it with a quote, which I love quotes, so I just think that's really cute. It also reminds me of Carly Bybel. She always includes a quote. So the fact that she put a quote in the mirror like that is a really nice touch. I really like that. And this palette actually smells like a mocha. That's amazing. It's so cute. I love it. So I did want to pause here and say that I did film a tutorial using the latte palette, and just for the sake of time of this video, I'm gonna post that as a mini IG tutorial, so that'll be out maybe a day or so after this video is posted, so you can enjoy that there. We'll definitely get more into the palette in a dedicated video. I think this is really cute, and I'm so happy that it was part of the box, so I get to try Dominique Cosmetics out. I seriously can't wrap my head around that these are all full-size products and they were all $54, like the entire box. I can't compute. I probably shouldn't be questioning it because I'm probably gonna ruin a good thing, but yo, Trendmood's got our back, man, honestly. So I'm really excited about this box and trying out all the different products. I love all of them so far, and I can't wait to see what Volume 3 holds. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this like product walkthrough and first impressions, I suppose, of the Trendmood Volume 2 box. It's so gigantic I have to lean back, make way for it. I know that I have truly enjoyed my experience with the products so far. I'll keep you updated in a pinned comment below if anything changes. Let me know in the comment section below which product seems very interesting to you and whether you would be on the lookout for Trendmood Box Volume 3. So I hope you liked this video. If you did at all, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, you can also click that notification bell if you want to be notified of any of my future uploads. Alright guys, until the next one, remember, makeup should be fun because you're already beautiful. Have a great week. Bye!